This is absolutely insane. Satoshi Kusama has just dropped a massive bombshell, and the Shiba Inu community is going wild with speculation. Apparently, he has hinted that something big is about to hit the Shiba Inu ecosystem, and it could be the kind of update that changes everything we thought we knew about this project. There is even talk that a few zeros might be removed from the token's price if this momentum continues, which is exactly the kind of breakthrough that long-time holders have been dreaming of. No one saw this coming, and now the entire community is hyped, waiting for more details. So, what exactly is happening, and why are people calling this the update we've all been waiting for? Let me explain. Disclaimer before we dive in. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It's not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before making any investments. Now, let's get into the heart of the story. Something explosive just unfolded in the Shiba Inu world. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer and the central figure in the Shiba Inu project, returned after a noticeable silence and immediately dropped hints about a development that could redefine the entire ecosystem. This isn't the usual type of minor update about a partnership or an event. Instead, it feels like a carefully timed announcement designed to shake things up and energize the community right when the market needed it the most. The wild part. Just as Kusama's news started spreading, something even bigger happened almost simultaneously. Behind the scenes, Shiba Inu whales, those massive holders who own trillions of tokens, obliterated supply like it was nothing. Reports show trillions of tokens removed from circulation or scooped up in major whale wallets, effectively tightening supply. And if you've been in crypto for any length of time, you know that when whales start making such bold moves, it usually signals that something massive is brewing. People are naturally asking, has this already affected the price? Analysts watching the charts have been very vocal, and the mood is leaning strongly bullish. One market analyst even pointed out that Shiba Inu is starting to gear up for a serious rally. The price has been pushing against a strong resistance level for weeks, but buyers are coming back in larger numbers, and the trading volume is growing rapidly. The momentum is shifting, and if this surge continues, Shiba Inu could very well break through its current ceiling and push to levels not seen in months. But here's the thing. This isn't just about price action. The biggest story here is about confidence returning to the project. The community is buzzing with excitement again, the developers are actively building, and the whales are throwing their weight around in a way we haven't seen in quite some time. When those three factors line up, community hype, active development, and whale activity, it's often the perfect storm for explosive growth. So, what exactly did Satoshi Kusama reveal? After nearly 2 weeks of complete silence, he finally resurfaced on social media, and instead of a casual hello, he dropped major hints about a new white paper. And this isn't just any white paper. It's an artificial intelligence white paper that could transform how Shiba Inu operates moving forward. The integration of AI into the Shiba Inu ecosystem suggests that the project is not only expanding its blockchain utility but also preparing to position itself at the cutting edge of two of the biggest tech revolutions right now: cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. And if that wasn't enough, Kusama's announcement was followed by another major update from Kalvarya, another prominent Shiba Inu developer, who confirmed significant progress on Shibarium, the project's Layer 2 blockchain. So now, we're not just talking about AI innovation. We're also talking about Shibarium scaling, faster transactions, and improved utility, all rolling out alongside AI integration. And to top it all off, Kusama teased a partnership development with Token Play AI, which appears to be a key part of this broader AI strategy. This shows that the Shiba Inu team isn't just experimenting, they've been building this quietly behind the scenes for months. It's part of a larger vision to expand Shiba Inu beyond the label of a memecoin and turn it into a serious ecosystem with blockchain, AI, and real-world use cases. If we rewind to May of this year, Kusama had already been hinting about the potential of AI. He openly suggested that most people don't realize just how transformative AI is going to be for crypto and beyond. He even updated his social media bio to say that he was working on his final white paper, exploring the relationship between AI, Shiba Inu, and Shibarium. That's a strong signal that he sees this integration as the cornerstone of the project's future. The community noticed his absence from social media in recent weeks, but unlike previous times where silence led to nervous speculation, this time people were confident. They believed that he was quietly building something big. And now, that confidence has been validated. Here's where the story gets even crazier. While Kusama was teasing this new AI white paper, Whale Wallet started making huge moves. On June 23rd, Whale scooped up over 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in a single day. That's not a typo. 10 trillion tokens in one move. According to on-chain data, this was the biggest single-day accumulation by whales in the last 5 months, and the second largest this entire year. That's the kind of activity you simply can't ignore. Now, let's put this into perspective. Over the weekend, the crypto market was shaken hard by global tensions, which caused over $250 billion in value to be wiped out. Shiba Inu dropped nearly 9% between Friday and Sunday. But by Monday, as the market began to stabilize, Shiba Inu whales didn't just cautiously buy back in. They went all out, ramping up their holdings from 182 trillion tokens to almost 193 trillion in a single day. That's over 10 trillion tokens added in 24 hours. And this isn't just some random fluke. The last time whales made such a bold move was in late May, right before Shiba Inu experienced another bullish wave. The timing of this is almost too perfect. Kusama drops a teaser about an AI-focused white paper, and whales immediately add trillions of tokens to their bags. It raises the question, did they know something was coming? Were they anticipating a major announcement? We may never know for sure, but one thing is undeniable. This is extremely bullish for Shiba Inu. The whales don't make moves of this scale unless they have conviction. Combine that with Kusama's hints about Shiba Inu's future and the momentum building in the community, and you've got a recipe for something big. This is why many people are saying Shiba Inu is no longer just a meme coin. It's evolving into an ecosystem with real technological advancements and potential utility. Blockchain plus AI is a powerful combination, and if the team can deliver on these promises, Shiba Inu could attract not just retail investors but also institutional interest. Looking at the bigger picture, every time Kusama goes quiet and then reappears, it usually signals that a major development is ready to roll out. It creates anticipation, builds pressure, and then releases that energy in the form of community hype and price action. Historically, this has worked for the project, and we're seeing the same pattern unfolding again right now. So, what's the takeaway here? Shiba Inu is aligning its next big growth phase with AI integration, Shibarium development, and whale accumulation. The dev team is active, the whales are buying, and the community is excited. These are all signs that the project is heading toward something potentially massive. At this point, it's becoming hard not to feel bullish about Shiba Inu's future. The project is clearly playing the long game, and moves like this show they're serious about evolving into something much bigger than just hype. Now I want to hear from you. What do you think about this? Do you believe the AI white paper and whale accumulation are connected? Do you think this could finally be the moment when Shiba Inu begins its next big breakout? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and never miss an important Shiba Inu update, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Missing news like this could mean missing serious opportunities, so don't take that risk. And don't forget to share this video so more people can stay informed. The stronger the community, the better Shiba Inu performs. This is shaping up to be one of the most exciting times in Shiba Inu's history. Buckle up, because if the signs are correct, the next chapter of this project is going to be a game changer.